Infamous Joel here. I'm going to do something a little bit different in this video. I'm going to have very minimal editing, if any editing at all. I'm sick and tired of YouTube. I'm sick and tired of the YouTube algorithm. I'm sick and tired of all the gurus who train on YouTube and teach on YouTube. Let me explain why I'm saying that. Number one, I got into YouTube really to build an audience and build an audience of people that understand and agree with my message, which is that there is clearly a have and have-nots, and in order to change your life around, you got to stop playing the same game. The game is just a losing game. Go to college, go to school, work hard. It's all a lie. But that's another subject for another video. I've probably made a lot of videos on that subject. Why am I tired of the YouTube algorithm? I'm tired of the YouTube algorithm because the more training that I take, the more mentors that I've had, and all the coaching and everything I've bought over the years, and shout out to all my mentors and all my coaches, they were right in teaching me about the YouTube algorithm, about ranking my videos, SEO, and doing the right hook and all these other things. They were absolutely right about that. The problem is it became a new prison for me because now I would sit in front of my computer going to shoot a new video and I'd get writer's block, right? It actually turns out a lot of you guys out there who are looking to start your own online business, looking to start making money online and watch this channel, that's awesome. But a lot of times, the more information you learn, the more writer's block or more overwhelmed you feel, and the less likely you are to take action. Some of you guys might look at me and like, wow, I'm not saying you do, but maybe you do look at me like, wow, he's come so far, has made all this money online after all these years and stuff. That's great. But I'm here to tell you, I have the same human flaws as you do. I have the same things going on as you do. Really, I just push through it, but I've noticed a step down in my desire to create content more recently in the last few months. Obviously, I had the anxiety, panic attack issue with my health. I got that under control. But even then, even when I really want to sit down and make a video on YouTube or make something on TikTok or shoot a live on Facebook or something, I just couldn't get myself in the mood, really motivated to make that kind of content. And for the longest time, I couldn't figure out why that was. There's the whole woo-woo side of it where it's like, listen to your soul. So, listen to your body, listen to your emotions, listen to whatever. I'm listening. I know for some reason I don't like doing it. I'm not really feeling the energy that I used to feel. It just felt so forced and scripted. But I couldn't quite put my finger on what it was until a friend of mine, a friend who I consider a friend, maybe she doesn't consider me a friend, but her name is Ari The Creator here on YouTube. She just made a video about this same subject, and it blew my freaking mind. I might leave the link to her channel down below this. She's in the coaching space, teaching you how to grow on YouTube and stuff. We've had a few conversations. She's really awesome. Great lady, really, really smart. But it was crazy that I was feeling the same way, and then she made a video about the subject. And it's like, the more you learn about how all this stuff works, YouTube, Instagram, how to grow, how to be this big business owner, big guru, whatever, the more you learn about that stuff, the more overwhelmed you feel. And that's how I felt, right? I had so much information. I got to make the right hook. I got to have the right middle of my video. I got to find the right keywords and make the video about a specific topic. If I don't feel like talking about that topic, I don't want to make a video on that topic. I want to be able to sit down here in front of you guys and just talk about what's on my heart, talk about what's on my mind, and develop a community, right? And you guys are the infamous mob. You guys are the community that's sick and tired of being sick and tired of being in the system, tired of playing their game and looking for a new way out. That's the kind of community I want to build. I don't want to just feed videos to the algorithm just for the algorithm's sake and try to grow a bunch of inflated subscriber numbers who are just here to learn a bunch of free stuff and don't really care about the message. I don't really want that. Ultimately, I had a vision for my business that, hey, I have this idea that everyone's really in prison. Yes, I came from literal prison, but I think the entire world's a freaking prison. Honestly, the more that there's a divide between the haves and the have-nots, the less choices that you really have. You might have the illusion of choice, but really, if you look at the game from the top down, you see that it is a game. It's a maze. They're just trying to keep you in the rat race. So that being said, I'm here devoting my life to people and making sure that you guys have all of the tips and tricks and guidance and everything that you need. We launched a new program called the Automation Income Academy, or Income Automation Academy, sorry. Brand new, so I'm still getting the name down. Income Automation Academy. I'm not just trying to pitch it, but we have some new ideas around AI, around automating your income, automating your content, automating if you're doing affiliate marketing, how to automate affiliate marketing. So many awesome things that we're doing in that community. just a small monthly fee because I even don't feel like I'm serving as best as I can, so I want to make it affordable for everybody. But coming back around to the whole YouTube thing, from now on, guys, if I have a feeling, I have something I want to get off my chest, I want to talk about, I'm very passionate about, I want to teach you, I want to train you, I want to show you everything that I possibly have, but I don't care about this algorithm stuff anymore. I just don't care, because all it's going to do is make me sit in front of this computer and second guess myself, and I never get anything done. So this is me recording this, right, putting it up on YouTube and telling you and YouTube, screw this. I'm not going to just artificially inflate my numbers here, and I'm just going to devote myself to you guys, the subscribers, the people that do enjoy the content and do enjoy what I do here. All right, so if you're new, by the way, check out all the other videos, plenty of free training, plenty of just my thoughts about business, entrepreneurship. I came from 7 years in prison to growing my own affiliate marketing and coaching business, and I'm just here to give you as much as I possibly can. All right, guys, you guys take it easy. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.